Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use Nanite. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nanite. So, first, I'm going to explain what Nanite is. So, Nanite is like a place where you go to download like VLC, Chrome, or maybe Steam. Any file that is what they call this has a process to download. Like it's very hard to download. To agree on this, click on this, then click on that, then do on this, click on this. But here in Nanite, it will do it for you and easily. So you won't have any problems when downloading that specific app. I'm going to teach you. Um, Nanite, there we go, nanite.com. There we are, Nanite. You can download anything right here to web browser until to your utilities. TeamViewer, Avast, anything right here, Audacity, Everna, Steam, so Spotify. So it will download. It will help you download, and you won't do any the of the hardware, so it won't be a hassle to you. So yeah, that's how it works. Just click on any of this. For example, let's try to download on Vira. I think this is a legal website. Not sure, but I think it is a legal website because there's nothing wrong. All of these apps are free, but it's just they just do the hard work for you and just click download and get their file and then get your nanite. There you go. After getting nanite, as you can see, server will begin downloading shortly. As you can see right there, it downloaded this. Downloading. Then go to that file. It's done. Then click on it. On the file. So preparing to set up. There we go. Loading. Through the nanite. Preparing setup. Finishing. There you go. Finished. And then here comes the conflict product Avas Avira. Okay. Found conflict product Avas. Yeah, because I have Avas. There you go. Now we can just type Avira. Avira. There we go. We have the Avira file now. So yeah. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a little bit of tip for you guys. You can download as many as you want. You can just do that, and just click on get your nanite. It won't be a problem. It will install it for you immediately and without doing the other hassle like choosing the file, where to file, or maybe signing, content, accepting, all of those stuff. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.